In this video, we're going to be finding the incenter of a triangle. So our first step is we're going to construct this triangle, and you're going to kind of stretch your compass out and lay it over the longest segment. Okay, and you're going to move it down here, make a little mark with your pencil, and then make a little mark here. Take your straight edge and draw a straight line. Okay. Then your next step is you're going to take your compass again, stretch it over one of the two smaller segments, doesn't matter which one, and then put your center point on the end point, and you're going to swing an arc. This is like all the possible points that this line could be on. So, or this line could be. You can stretch this over this. Put your center point on the other end point, and then draw a little line right there. So it intersects, and this is the top of your triangle. You're going to take your straight edge and draw a line connecting from them. And then for our next part, we're going to be constructing the angle bisectors for each angle of the triangle. It's a little bit different than the midpoint, but it's a little bit similar too. Kind of size your compass down, draw a little arc from the end point, and gonna put little intersection points. And then you're going to take your compass. It's going to be a little bit of a squeeze, but I'm going to put it there. Swing a little arc. Do the same thing on this end. Okay. Then you're going to take your straight edge, draw a line through that little intersection. Kind of gonna finish that up there too. And then take your compass, you're gonna do the same process. Size that down a little bit. Your little points right here. Then take your center point, put that on this little point. Swing an arc. Put your center point with the same measurement over there. Swing an arc. That through the intersection. Draw a line. Center point on the last midpoint. Arc. Point. Point. It's going to be really small here. Very mini arc here. Same thing. Stretch it out a little bit. Okay. So you see we have our little thing right there. Take your straight edge. Draw through the intersection. Okay. And it is a little bit off, but we can tell that it's mostly right in this area here. And this is the incenter of the triangle. So you're going to take your compass, put your center point on the incenter, and then stretch it out to one of the top points and draw. You're going to do it all the way around. Circle is a little bit off, but I mean, that's just a little bit of human error here. Nothing's going to be perfect. So the circle has to touch at least one side, or it has to touch at least like each side of the triangle, and pretty much could have been a little bit smaller, but that's okay. It looks pretty good. So right here is the incenter triangle, and the circle is inscribed inside the triangle. So there you go. That's how you find the incenter of a triangle.